Experiencing data issues with your Assurance wireless service? Often the fix involves adjusting three key settings: APN, roaming, and network mode. These settings control how your device connects to the network. Since Verizon's network upgrades in 2025, firmware updates have sometimes caused data disruptions, making manual adjustments necessary. If your data isn't working, don't worry. It's rarely a carrier-side outage. Start by checking these settings to restore connectivity. A recent update to the Assurance Wireless app in Q2 2025 has made some of these troubleshooting steps more automated, but manual adjustment is still sometimes required. Here are the key settings to check, with examples from Android devices. First, APN settings control the gateway to the data network. Check these if data isn't connecting. Second, roaming allows connectivity outside primary coverage. Toggle this for rural areas. Third, network mode selects preferred network types like 4G or 5G. Adjust this for stability. First, for APN reset, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Access Point Names. Delete any incorrect entries. The correct APN is often VZ Winternet for Verizon-based Assurance Wireless, and restart your phone. Next, manage roaming by going to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Roaming. Ensure domestic roaming is enabled, especially if you're in a rural area. Finally, adjust your network mode via Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Network Mode. Try setting it to LTE only if you're having trouble with 5G instability. By 2027, expect automated updates from Verizon to minimize manual APN resets, so stay tuned for software updates.